I guess we got something going on. I don't know.
Well, we got the male cat.
I.
Oh!
That's not Prince Eduardo's
No,
music.
it's not. No, it can't be.
Did he change his music?
I thought he was far away. Everybody look.
Well, no!
Oh.
No! It's Prince Eduardo's best friend, Sir Philippe.
What was that? Did you hear that noise?
Yes.
Hello, Twistbridge Farm.
Oh, give it up for Sir Philippe, Prince Eduardo's BFF.
Yeah.
I am
Sir
Prince
Philippe.
Eduardo's best friend in the whole wide
No,
world.
you gotta clap louder than that for him.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's applause, folks. That is applause.
Who here wants to go to Prince Eduardo's birthday? Yeah. Well, look here. I got a royal decree of a whole bunch of fun things planned for him. I even have Dr. Time.
Dr. Time?
Dr. Time is going to bring back some old friends. Did you know that, Eddie?
It's all connected for me now. Is that why?
I don't know. You'll have to wait and see. But the big problem is, Uncle Skits.
There's a problem?
Well, not really a problem. I just haven't quite located.
Is it that your glasses are fogging up?
I can't see nothing
Yes.
in these.
But that's not the problem.
Maybe that's good.
You know, when I used to vacation in Scotland, it would be very foggy, just like this.
That makes
So-
sense, that makes sense.
Yes.
I can't. The problem is, Uncle Skits,
Yes.
is that Prince Eduardo, I haven't located him yet. I haven't even. Has his helicopter come by yet?
I have not heard his helicopter yet, no.
Oh.
But I think I saw him back there.
Where?
Oh, wait. I think I saw him back here. Hold on.
Where do you see him,
I
man?
guess-
Yesterday
I saw
he was over there.
I think I saw
There
him.
yesterday.
I think I saw him. I don't see.
If anyone,
Where is he? No.
I-
You want that?
I have an idea, Eddie. We're gonna need the kids to go back to their bunks.
No.
They'll go back to the rainy day areas. Rainy day areas.
Rainy
Oh,
day
it's
area.
raining.
I
Yeah.
didn't even know it was raining. And they're gonna have to use the restrooms,
Yes,
the
they will.
laboratories, as we call it.
And drop off their bags?
I think so.
And their lunches.
That sounds like a good idea.
And then maybe they can look for Prince Eduardo when they're walking.
Back here.
Ooh, I
Yeah.
swear I saw him back there earlier today. Boys back there. Didn't you see Prince Eduardo back there earlier? Yeah, see, Jack saw him. I don't know. Also, just so you understand, a couple other words that we have to say is that this porta potty back here, it is working, but the porta potty up here, up front, is not flushing for some reason. So you can't.
It's
you
called a
can't use
Royal
that one.
John where I'm from.
It's called a John. The John up front's not working. You can't flush it. So I don't know what's going on.
And they should be back here at about what time?
I think, well, let me check the schedule here. I think my royal decree has it at 9:45.
9:45. Be here.
And you may come a little bit early. You don't have to be
Yeah.
here like all at one time at 9:45.
And I see lots
Whoa.
of prince and princesses out there.
Yes,
I
you
can't
do.
wait to see
They
them.
look good.
Trolls and everything.
Wow.
All right, that's it.
All right. So we're gonna go one group at a time, like we usually do,
Like
right?
we usually do, take your stuff.
We're gonna hang out for a
Be
little bit.
back
Wait till
by
I get back here.
9:45 at the latest.
Wow.
Wait, you want to tell me what we're doing? Well, you know, while we're waiting for Prince Eduardo, while everybody's looking for him, maybe we can have Dr. Time bring back some old friends of ours. So, we used to have guests every year for Prince Eduardo's birthday party, and, you know, hopefully Dr. Time can come and bring some back here.
So you're saying we're bringing Dr. Time back here?
Yes, Dr. Time right here now.
Who wants to see Dr. Dr. Time. Hold on those hands. That sounds like they want to see Dr. Time. I don't know where he's going to come from. but-
Maybe you can explain all this.
Seriously. I don't know. You know what's happening?
What time is it?
I hear it's Timmy Tappy. Oh, you know what that means when the smoke comes.
Hello, Dr. Time.
Hey, Eddie.
It's Dr. Time, everybody. Hi, Dr. Time.
Hi, Andrews. How are you?
Oh, my goodness.
Dr. Time, I have a huge favor to ask of you.
Yeah, sure.
Could you please go into your time machine and try to bring back some old friends of ours?
I think I can do that.
What?
I think I can do that.
You can do that right now?
Yeah.
Who wants him to do that right now? Go back and get some old friends of ours.
All right.
All right. Go, see what you got. Go bring back some people for us. We need cats for the party.
Whoa.
Boy, what are you doing for rain? I'm so excited.
I don't know.
Eddie, what do you think it is?
I think it's going to be
Oh, it could be Moana. It could be Moana.
I think
What? Let's see. It's a yellow! It's a little.
That's a little.
She's too yellow!
Prince Eduardo.
Prince Eduardo. Prince Eduardo, come here. Come here, Prince Eduardo.
He's too little!
It's Prince Eduardo.
Prince Eduardo. Are you Prince Eduardo? He said yes, he's Prince Eduardo. Do you have anything you want to say to people? Well, we can't hear you. Take that mask out a little bit. Well, I don't know if this mic is on. Hold on, let's see. Is that mic on? Let me see here. DJ, there you go. Say it one more time.
Sugar character.
Oh, that's so good character. Oh my goodness. Wow.
This is great!
I'll help you back there, Prince
Mr.
Eduardo.
Otto, it's so good to see you, but Dr. Time, I think you went back a little bit too far. Yeah,
I think you went back kind of really too far, didn't you?
too far.
I mean, how old are you? Tell me how old you are. 3? He's 3! Prince Eduardo's 3? Wow. Do you remember Prince Eduardo at this age?
I was with Prince Eduardo when I was just a little boy too.
Wow. Maybe we should send him back to the
I
past.
think so. We need the now Prince
You probably
Eduardo.
have to play dance or
Now.
something.
Okay.
All right, Prince Eduardo, thanks, buddy, for coming. You want to head back with him?
Bye-bye, Prince
You know
Eduardo.
what I'm going to do? I'm going to go see. I'm going to go see if I can find Prince Eduardo. I'm going to look.
No, wait,
I'm going to look this way. I'm going to look this way.
Eddie, please, Eddie, please.
I'm going to cut the other one. You see? Prince Eduardo. Prince
Eddie! Hey, everybody. Hey. Eddie? Uncle Skip? Anybody? Yeah, so, who likes water? Who likes to go swimming at the swimming pool? Yeah? Okay. You're all still there, are you? I think maybe. Still looking for somebody, please. How about some ideas?
I got an idea.
Oh, hey.
Let's dance.
Yeah, come on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's set it off. Oh yeah. You can make it happen.
Kings and queens let's make it happen now. I'ma make my own future, ignore all the rumors, show 'em how passion sound. They all told me I should back down, judging me cause of my background, thinking about changing my path now. Now I ain't going out like that now.
Feeling the power, let it all out. Like what you see in the mirror, shout.
We got the keys to kingdom's eyes.
Let's set it off. Oh yeah.
Let's set this off.
Start a chain reaction. Never let it stop. Let's set it off.
Let's set this off. Let's set this off.
You can make it happen. Everything you got. Let's set it off. Set it off.
Oh, come on.
We about to set it off.
That's right.
Set it off.
Let's set it off.
We about to set it off.
Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Alright! Whoa! That can only mean one thing. Dr. Time must be back. Hey, Dr. Time! What did you bring for us this time?
Put on your mask and your cape. It's time to fly through the sky. In a flash, disappear. We're up 50 stories high. Now you see me, now you don't escape from me. Oh no, you won't. I got
Somebody
powers
knock
that don't scare me. I can
talking about there?
What
do you think?
We're superheroes. We're all so brave. Superheroes.
Girls don't stand a chance of that thing. Oh, yes, man. Yes, sir. I've never met you before. How are you, Sir Philippe? Now, we didn't wear masks where I come from, and no plaster. No plaster? Yes, movie. So, Dr. Time, I'm a little confused, because I'm still looking for Prince Eduardo, and you brought me Molly Mask Man. Who the heck do you know Molly Mask Man? Do you want to know who he is? Who are you? I'm Mighty Mask Man. Oh. Okay. Well, Mighty Mask Man. I think, Dr. Tom, I think we need to get more visitors up here.
More visitors?
Can you guys look for Prince Eduardo, please?
I got it.
So, this one starts one of the first birthday parties we've ever had with two princesses from Arendelle. Does anyone know who ever heard of Arendelle before?
Do you know who they are?
Who are these?
Who are they? I can't hear you. That's Anna and Elsa. And
Is that Prince Eduardo again?
yes,
Prince?
yes it is. Does this take it back to the time you couldn't show to his birthday party?
Yes!
Moments go and play. I never see you anymore. Mount the door. It's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go get him! Go get him! Oh. Well, Baba, give it up for Anna and Elsa right there. Great to see them. Wow. So, Dr. Time, we still need to find Prince Eduardo. What are we going to do? Really? We need him in this time right now.
You know what? You know what? I'll be back. I got an idea.
What?
I see a spaceship.
Ooh.
But I know.
There's something. What do you know, Dr. Time?
Prince Eduardo's already in this time. He's already somewhere.
He
In
was
this time.
But we just saw him and he was too little. So we need the now Prince Eduardo. The Prince Eduardo that's this big.
That big?
This big. Where's the now Prince Eduardo?
Okay.
Well, maybe we can call up some other friends here. There was once a birthday party where, there was a spaceship and a space ranger and a spaceship. Does anyone know what I'm talking about here? No? Yeah. But Buzz Lightyear, did I just hear? Was that the guy? Where is he? We got to go get him, Dr. Tom. Oh, okay. Thank you. I got it. Don't worry. I'll go get him. Just fix the time machine. Oh, there it goes. Cool. Let's see. Who wants to see Buzz Lightyear? Oh, I'm so excited.
What did you say? It's good to see you again. You guys know what he's saying? Oh my goodness. Wow. What's that about? What makes you a cell in the dance? Yeah. Buzz wants to do a dance.
Ooh, a dance, huh?
Yeah. Oh. I know this one. You know this one? I do. If you know it, let's see it.
You got a friend in me.
I do.
You got a friend in me.
Let's see the audience dance a little bit, yeah?
When the road up ahead and you're miles and miles from a nice warm bed. You just remember what your
Give me a
parents
line.
or you got a friend.
Give me a line. You got it done, I guess.
That you got a friend in me.
Right. 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 You like that?
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a
Not that you can hurt me anymore. I think Dr. Time has to help with this. All right, well, let's hear it for Buzz and Chewie. For the Lost in Space party, right? Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you
You
for
got
coming
a
to this.
friend in me.
Watch your steps going down there.
Hey, that was fun. Those are some fun guests right there. I think now, Dr. Time, I'm thinking of a birthday party where we were swimming.
Swimming? Swimming.
And we were under the sea. And there was a lady princess wearing a tail. Does anyone know who I'm talking about?
You know who he's talking about?
She was a mermaid.
Okay.
I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Reach out on land, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Pregnant women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know some answers. What's a fire and why does it, what's the word? Burn. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that
That's the every time. Thank you.
So beautiful.
That's it, I feel like I just jumped in the ocean. I'm so sweaty.
There we are. That was beautiful. What else do we have now, Dr. Tom?
Are you ready, kids?
Aye,
I can't hear you. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Absorbent and yellow and porous is he. If nautical nonsense be something you wish, then drop on the deck and flop like a fish. Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
All right. Let's give it up for our friends under the sea.
Whoa. Wow.
Come all the way from the ocean.
Thanks for coming, SpongeBob. Oh my
This is great.
God. Whoa. What is this thing? What?
I was going to tell that story later, but you already rubbed the lap, so.
Uh-oh.
Does anyone know what happens when you rub the lap?
What happened? The genie?
A genie?
I wonder if the genie will come and give you 3 wishes, buddy, Math Man. You think? I hope so. I hope so too. I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's see. Should I rub it again?
I think you should rub it again.
Here I go.
Oh no! Wow!
Well, Alibaba, he had them 40 thieves. Shahrazad, he had 1,000 tales. But Master, you're in luck because up your sleeves you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your corner now, heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch pizzazz, and how all you gotta do is run that lamp, and then I'll say, Mister.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yep.
You already had your 3 wishes.
What?
He already had his 3 wishes.
No. He just rubbed the lap. Did anyone hear him make a wish? No. He just rubbed the lap. There's no way he got 3 wishes. Who's this? Who's this? Who is that? Is that Ali? Prince Ali? That's Aladdin. And your husband? This is just too big of a mess. We cannot find Prince Eduardo anywhere. This is crazy. Mighty Mask Man, do you remember Prince Eduardo's birthday party last year when we were chasing Prince Aladdin through the city? Do you want to do that again this time? Yeah? Mighty Mask Man, do you want to chase him? Sure.
Ahead of the slowpokes, let's get ahead of my doom. Next time, I'm using out the boom. One jump ahead of the hitman, 1 hit ahead of the clock. I think I'll take this girl around the block. Let's not be too hasty. I need to live, got still to eat, otherwise we get along.
Jasmine speechless, can we? No. Who wants to hear Jasmine right now? Whoa.
She seems to be speechless.
Stone, every word, centuries unbending. Stay in your place, better seen, not heard. But now that story is ending. 'Cause I cannot start to crumble. Come on and try to shut me and cut me down. I won't be silent. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. Speechless, like the storm. I cannot be broken. No, I won't live unspoken. 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. Try to lock me in this cage. I won't just lay around and die. I will take these broken wings and once may fly across the sky. And it echoes saying I won't be silent. Now you will see me tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless, speechless. 'Cause speechless is suffocating. Don't you understand me? 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. All I know is I won't go
Yeah, man. That's beautiful. I'm not thinking of the time. This was a very special birthday party. Long Grande, hopefully he doesn't come. Oh, he shrugged Princess Water to a little wee man. And I had to put him in a tray. And he had some special people that helped him.
Who remembers this birthday?
Who are the people that helped Princess Water when he needs a little you guys, baby man? Who was it? Rose? But I got you look at some troll, right? Trolls? Yeah. Ah, there they are. Oh my God! Francis Puppy! Oh, what's going on?
Got this feeling
Yeah!
inside my bones. It goes electric
Bravo.
baby, when I turn it on.
If you want it inside your soul.
Stand up and dance for this one here. Stand up where you are. Social distance. Get some dancing.
Sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally.
Yeah, baby.
Rock it, so don't stop. Nights when everything goes nowhere to go. When I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know.
Don't be hurt now, Dr. Thomas.
Ooh, something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood.
Oh, let's hear for our trolls. Oh.
Ratchet Poppy, that was too much. I'm even sweatier than I was 2 seconds ago.
Does Mighty Mouse Man sweat?
Of course I do.
Even with all those muscles?
But never. I never sweat when I face danger. What kind of danger? Germs. Yeah, because I have hand sanitizer.
You may also keep your distance.
I keep my distance and I wear my mask.
All right, Mighty Mask Man. Well, I am now thinking of a birthday party. There was a sailboat. There was a man that had muscles, much like Mighty Mask Man, and lots of tattoos. Does anyone know who I'm thinking of now? Was it the spaceship? Or was it this boat right here? Has anyone seen Prince Eduardo? I am so confused. Where is Prince Eduardo? He was supposed to be here an hour ago. But that was not seeing over there Moana for us until Dr. Tommy was here. Don't Prince Eduardo.
Who are you?
What was it? It was, who are you?
Who are you?
Wait, who are you? Oh,
Who are you?
who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Who am I? I am a girl who loves my island. I'm a girl who loves the sea. It calls me. I am the daughter of the village chief. We are descended from voyagers who found their way across the world. And they call me. I've delivered us to where we are. I have journeyed farther. I am everything I've learned and more. Still it calls me. And the long and all, every all, it's inside me. It's like the tide always falls and rising. I will carry you here, and my heart will remind me of one day. I know the way. I am Moana.
He keeps staring at me, Stephanie. I don't know why he keeps staring at me.
I am just so confused. Who are you, Mighty Mask Man?
I don't know, but wasn't there someone else with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who was with you?
Maui?
You got a time for Maui? Okay, we get Maui here.
I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lassoed the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun. Also I harness the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled from the sea. There's no need to pray, it's okay. You're welcome. Ha, I guess it's just my way of being me. You're welcome.
Maui! Give it another round of applause for Maui here! Come on, Maui! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Well, that was fun.
That was a good time.
What is that? Moana, what are you looking at? What are you looking at, Moana? What are you looking at? Why is she looking at him?
I have crossed the skies like to find you. I know your name.
You know his name.
You may have seen the heart from inside him. But this does not define you. This is not who you are. You know who you are.
Wait a minute. You know who he is? What do you mean you know who he is? I don't know who he is. Nobody knows who Mighty Mask Man is. Who are you? Come on. Not now, Dr. Time. Mighty Mask Man, who are you? Who knows who he is? Please, somebody help me. I'm a little person tomorrow. You say you know who he is. Oh, wow. You want to know who I am? Do you want to know who I am? Yes! I don't know if they can handle it, somebody. Well, I need to know, please. I don't know if they can handle it. Dr. Tom, do you want to know who I am? Yes! Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Did you like it, Dr. Tom? Please, You were Mighty Mask Man?
I was Mighty Mask Man the whole time! What? Did you know? Did you know? She knew, she said!
She knew?
Oh my goodness! Oh, how many people knew? Raise your hand if you could tell my secret identity. Oh, couldn't you tell? Look! I wear the same shoes!
I never look at people's feet.
And the one time I forgot I still had my belt on!
Oh, Mighty Mask Man, I can't believe it!
Oh, I know! I know! Well, guess what? The coolest thing about this is I got to surprise you this
Yes!
time!
Oh my God!
You all thought that I was lost!
Yeah.
That always seems to happen every birthday, but guess what? I was here the whole time!
The whole time he's been here since camp started!
I don't know how Moana figured it out! It must have been the way I said, "Who are you?"
Well, duh.
Well, Mighty Mask, well, Prince of Water, I keep calling you Mighty Mask Man. While you're here,
I could be either one. Prince of Water, Mighty Mask Man in a second.
I don't know much.
Of course. When I put on the suit, my muscles appear. That's right. All right, so who wants a party?
I want a party.
Party? It's a birthday party, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Yes. All right. If only we can have our guests come back.
Yes, that would be lovely.
Do you want our guests to come back now? What's as amazing is there's only ABBA one practice with this. And it always seems to do it.
Can't believe it.
Give it for Bowie!
Give it up for now.
Give it for our trolls! Let's hear for Aladdin Johnson and Baby Prince Eduardo. Yeah, who knows what's that? Do I look the same? Yeah, I think I do. I was a cute baby, wasn't I? Yeah, what a baby! There's so many people. Whoa! Come on in, James. Who's that? Whoa! Buzz Lightyear! The lost in space back there! And Chewbacca! Whoa!
There is one more person, a very special person.
One more person?
Yes, one more person. And it took a lot of work, but we finally got your mommy here.
What?
Your mommy! Queen's here!
Queen Anne is here!
Queen Elena, your mommy! Anyone ever seen her?
Ah! Mommy! Mommy! It's my mommy!
You can believe it! Look at all your friends here and your mommy! Is this your best birthday ever?
Oh my goodness, it is my best birthday ever!
Did we sing him a happy birthday song?
Oh, please!
Yes, yes!
Oh.
Okay. Oh, then you can sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Everybody, my fun! Why, thank you so much, I appreciate it. Thank you to my friends. Thank you to my friends out there. I love having you here for my birthday. Some of my friends will be around camp today, so keep an eye out for them, all right? Thank you for coming. Thank you. Oh, Stephanie. Oh boy. I'm gonna turn you over to the man, the myth, the legend, Uncle Skits. Let's hear for Uncle Skits. Let's hear for the music man, DJ Uncle Dick. And of course, let's hear it for our narrator, my best friend, my BFF, my man who's been through it all with me. Oh, Sir Philippe. Let's hear it for Sir Philippe. Where's Dr. Time? Thank you, Dr. Time, for bringing all these friends here. Oh my goodness. And Mommy, I love you. All right, thank you, folks.